Hi everyone! Today I'm going to customize a diary and we are going to be using varnish as part of the process. The varnish will help certain parts of the design really stand out, and I'll take you through the whole process, of course, from printing to the final touches so you can see how it all comes together. Today's design tip is brought to you by MaxLaser Academy. For this diary design, I already have my diary size set up, and now I'm just bringing in the MaxLaser logo and taking the parts that I want to use. I'm resizing a few elements, moving them around and changing the colors until everything sits nicely on the layout. Once I'm happy with the placement, I type in the name, resize it, and test where it looks best. I'm basically just trying different ideas to see what works for this diary. Now I'm organizing my layers. The text that I will print in white, I rename as white. The shapes that will have both white and color, I rename as W and C. And the section that I want to add varnish to, I rename as varnish. I delete any extra shapes I used as guides, and then I start exporting the files. First, I hide the white and the white and color layers so only the varnish layer is visible, and I save that as my varnish TIFF file. Then I unhide the white and color layer, hide the varnish, and I save that as my white and color TIFF. Last, I hide the color layer, unhide the white layer, and save that as my white TIFF. Now we're in the ArtisJet Layout Designer, and first I import my jig file and I set the print mode to white only. Then I import my varnish TIFF file, and the print mode is varnish only. After that, I import my white and color TIFF file and I set the print mode to white and color. Finally, I import my white TIFF file and the print mode is white only. And that's the finished diary. The design came out crisp and the varnish really highlights the key details. It's perfect for personal use, as a thoughtful gift, or even as a branded item. I hope this inspires you to try your own custom printing projects. I'll check you in the next one.